Today, we are excited to bring you some amazing, incredible inventions. We cover topics about Amazon products, gadgets, and amazing top machines on a regular basis on our channel. Make sure you subscribe so you won't miss any updates from us. Water Axe Mark III. The Water Axe Mark III is a rugged and reliable portable pump, revered for its versatility in firefighting and water transfer operations. Known for its durability, this centrifugal pump boasts a powerful Honda engine, capable of efficiently delivering high volumes of water. Its lightweight yet robust construction, coupled with easy maintenance, makes it a staple for wildland firefighting and emergency response teams. The Water Axe Mark III's efficiency, portability, and enduring performance have solidified its status as an indispensable tool for professionals combating wildfires and addressing water supply needs in challenging environments. Anti-Tannic. The Anti-Tannic is a revolutionary maritime safety device, specifically engineered to prevent vessels from capsizing in extreme conditions. This compact and automated system deploys stabilizing arms when it detects a potential tipping point, counteracting the forces that lead to capsizing. Utilizing advanced sensors and real-time data analysis, it provides proactive stabilization, enhancing the vessel's resistance to tipping. The Anti-Tannic represents a significant advancement in maritime safety, mitigating the risk of capsizing and offering a critical layer of protection for crew and passengers navigating challenging waters, ensuring a safer and more secure maritime experience. Icaros Line Thrower. The Icaros Line Thrower is an innovative maritime safety device designed for swift and precise deployment of rescue lines in emergency situations. Compact and lightweight, it utilizes compressed air to propel a high-strength line up to considerable distances, bridging gaps and facilitating efficient rescue operations at sea. With its user-friendly design and reliable performance, the Icaros Line Thrower ensures rapid response and increased safety, making it an indispensable tool for maritime professionals and rescue teams worldwide. Slide to Safety. Slide to Safety is a groundbreaking evacuation system designed for high-rise buildings, offering a swift and secure exit during emergencies. This innovative device integrates a controlled descent mechanism with a fire-resistant chute, enabling occupants to descend rapidly from upper floors to ground level. Its intuitive design ensures ease of use for people of all ages, providing a crucial means of escape in situations such as fires or other life-threatening events. Slide to Safety prioritizes user safety and evacuation efficiency, representing a vital advancement in building evacuation solutions for enhanced urban safety and emergency preparedness. SafeBack SBX. SafeBack SBX is the world's first active air supply for snow burial, designed to keep avalanche and tree well victims breathing under the snow without a mouthpiece. This extends the potential survival window to over 90 minutes. SBX creates an airflow through the snow, supplying the breathing area with fresh air. This secures access to oxygen and pushes away excess CO2. Avalanche snow contains a high volume of air, which SBX uses to supply oxygen to the victim. Air is pumped into the backpack and through hoses on the shoulder straps to postpone asphyxia. Innovation in avalanche safety has been greatly focused on the users above the snow, either to reduce the likelihood of burial or speed up rescue. SafeBack has spent 5 years focusing on the victim under the snow to bring SBX to the market, designed to keep victims breathing until they can be rescued. Escape Rescue Evacuation System. The Escape Rescue Evacuation System is a life-saving apparatus meticulously crafted for emergency scenarios. This innovative system seamlessly combines a robust harness with a controlled descent device, enabling rapid evacuation from elevated structures. Engineered for user-friendly operation, it ensures quick and secure egress during fires, natural disasters, or other critical situations. With its compact design and intuitive deployment, the Escape Rescue Evacuation System provides individuals with a reliable means of escape, prioritizing safety and facilitating swift evacuation in diverse emergency environments. This essential tool exemplifies a commitment to preparedness and urban safety. Honor Life Raft Rescue Tip Board. The Honor Life Raft Rescue Tip Board is an indispensable maritime safety tool designed to enhance rescue operations during emergencies at sea. This inflatable, high-visibility board serves as a stable platform for survivors awaiting rescue from a life raft. Its innovative design includes handholds, anchor points, and a non-slip surface, facilitating secure transfers between the life raft and rescue vessels. The Honor Life Raft Rescue Tip Board prioritizes ease of use and durability, providing a crucial link in maritime safety protocols, ensuring efficient and safe evacuation and rescue procedures in challenging maritime conditions. 01. The Figure 01 is a humanoid robot that aims to be the first commercially viable general-purpose robot for the human world. Figure, an AI robotics company that has attracted some of the world's leading experts in humanoid robotics, designs it. Figure 01 has a human-like form factor, with arms, legs, hands, and feet that allow it to perform tasks that require dexterity, mobility, and manipulation. It also has a sleek metal exterior and a helmet-like head with an LCD screen to communicate with humans. The robot uses cutting-edge AI and torque-controlled walking to achieve dynamic bipedal locomotion, which means it can walk in a natural and robust way without being affected by external disturbances or changes in terrain. It can also use its whole body reasoning to coordinate its torso, pelvis, and arm movements for balance and efficiency. Figure 01 is intended to work alongside humans in various domains, such as manufacturing, logistics, warehousing, and retail. It can help address labor shortages, improve productivity, and reduce the number of workers in unsafe jobs. Sakare SVH-4. The Sakare SVH-4 is a cutting-edge ultralight helicopter, embodying innovation and precision engineering in a sleek design. With a focus on safety and performance, it features a robust yet lightweight frame, enabling agility and maneuverability. Its advanced avionics and flight systems ensure optimal control and reliability. The SVH-4's streamlined appearance exudes modernity, while its powerful rotor system and efficient propulsion deliver an exhilarating flying experience. Perfectly suited for diverse applications, from recreational flights to professional use, the Sakare SVH-4 stands as a testament to the evolution of aerial technology, combining form and function seamlessly. Reco. Reco is a cutting-edge technology enhancing outdoor safety, specifically in avalanche rescue scenarios. This passive reflector system integrates lightweight, durable reflectors into outdoor gear, such as clothing and equipment. When exposed to a Reco detector carried by search and rescue teams, these reflectors bounce back a harmonic radar signal, aiding in pinpointing the location of individuals buried in snow. Widely adopted by ski resorts, mountain professionals, and outdoor enthusiasts, Reco provides an additional layer of safety by expediting search efforts and increasing the chances of timely avalanche victim detection. Floodworks. Floodworks stands as a beacon of flood resilience, offering a comprehensive flood management solution. This innovative system combines advanced sensors, real-time data analytics, and robust barriers to create a dynamic defense against rising waters. Designed for adaptability, Floodworks automatically deploys barriers upon detecting imminent flood threats, safeguarding communities and infrastructure. Its user-friendly interface allows for efficient monitoring and control, empowering authorities to respond swiftly. Floodworks signifies a breakthrough in proactive flood protection, showcasing a commitment to mitigating the impact of flooding and enhancing overall resilience in the face of unpredictable weather events. Kingi. Kingi is a compact and wearable personal flotation device, redefining water safety for individuals engaged in various aquatic activities. Weighing just a few ounces, this discreet wrist-worn device inflates instantly with a pull of the lever, providing buoyancy that keeps the wearer afloat. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort and ease of use, making it an essential companion for swimmers, surfers, and water enthusiasts. Kingi represents a revolutionary approach to personal water safety, offering peace of mind and an extra layer of protection in emergency situations without impeding natural movement in the water. Xiaomi CyberDog 2. The CyberDog 2, an enhanced iteration of Xiaomi's bio-inspired quadruped robot, has been unveiled. CyberDog 2, which weighs only 8.9 kilograms, is 40% lighter than its predecessor. The robot's 19 sensors, which provided improved movement and precision control, give users a lifelike experience. Its design was inspired by the anatomy of a Doberman. Every design element has been integrated with biogenic notions, advancing both functionality and realism, with its substantial size and weight reduction. The CyberDog 2 not only fits in well, but also has cutting-edge features that bring it closer to the pinnacle of realistic behavior. Aircraft with a capsule to save passengers. Revolutionizing air travel safety, the innovative aircraft with a passenger capsule ensures unprecedented protection. Nestled within a robust capsule, passengers experience an elevated level of security during emergencies. This cutting-edge design integrates advanced safety features, including impact-resistant materials and state-of-the-art evacuation systems. In the event of an incident, the capsule detaches, deploying parachutes for a controlled descent. This groundbreaking approach to aviation prioritizes passenger well-being, offering peace of mind without compromising on comfort or efficiency. The aircraft with a protective capsule marks a significant stride towards enhancing the resilience and security of modern air travel. WinDE WinDE Dome stands as an engineering marvel, a state-of-the-art facility dedicated to simulating atmospheric conditions on a scale never before achieved. Resembling a colossal golf ball, this unique hexagonal chamber creates controlled, realistic wind patterns, enabling groundbreaking research in fields like wind engineering, meteorology, and climate science. With its innovative design and cutting-edge technology, WinDE Dome allows scientists and engineers to study the complex interactions of wind with structures, ecosystems, and urban environments, providing invaluable insights that contribute to the advancement of resilient infrastructure and sustainable urban planning. FocusCalm a revolutionary meditation device, seamlessly blends modern technology with ancient mindfulness practices. Combining biofeedback and immersive experiences, it guides users toward heightened relaxation and focus. The sleek design integrates EEG sensors to monitor brainwaves, providing real-time data for personalized meditation sessions. Through calming visual and auditory cues, users embark on a journey to reduce stress and enhance mental clarity. FocusCalm is not just a device, it's a gateway to tranquility, empowering individuals to navigate the demands of daily life with a centered mind, fostering mental well-being in the digital age. NinjaSat X-ray represents a breakthrough in satellite technology, designed for unparalleled Earth observation. Equipped with advanced X-ray imaging capabilities, it penetrates atmospheric conditions and cloud cover to provide high-resolution insights into the planet's surface. This cutting-edge satellite system, developed for both scientific and commercial applications, enhances our understanding of environmental changes, resource management, and disaster response. With its sophisticated imaging technology, NinjaSat X-ray contributes to a new era of precise and comprehensive data acquisition from space, facilitating informed decision-making for various industries and scientific endeavors. Bugatti Sur Golden Era. The Chiron Supersport Golden Era is the very embodiment of Bugatti's peerless Sur Measure program, designing and delivering totally unique and completely personalized cars for customers. The intricate, complex, and highly creative process took 2 years to complete. Perfection on every level was achieved by using the combined skills and expertise of Bugatti's craftspeople. A series of 45 hand-drawn sketches which poetically illuminate the legendary milestones of Bugatti's rich story was set to seamlessly transform a blank canvas into a complete work of art, with the customer involved and consulted by the team at every step of the process. Haptex Gloves G1. Haptex Gloves G1 redefine virtual reality by introducing a tactile dimension to the digital realm. These cutting-edge gloves provide an immersive experience by incorporating advanced haptic feedback technology. Users can feel the texture, shape, and resistance of virtual objects, enhancing the sense of touch in virtual environments. The G1's precision and responsiveness offer a level of realism previously unattainable, revolutionizing applications in training simulations, design prototyping, and entertainment. With its ergonomic design and intuitive interface, Haptex Gloves G1 mark a significant leap forward in bridging the gap between the physical and virtual worlds. Autofuel, a groundbreaking solution in sustainable transportation, represents a paradigm shift in fueling systems. This innovative technology integrates seamlessly with vehicles, utilizing cutting-edge processes like electrochemical conversion to generate clean and renewable energy. Autofuel contributes to reducing carbon emissions, aligning with the global shift towards eco-friendly mobility. Its adaptability across various vehicle types and commitment to environmental stewardship make it a frontrunner in the pursuit of a greener automotive future. As a versatile and eco-conscious fueling solution, Autofuel spearheads a transformative approach towards cleaner, more sustainable transportation ecosystems. Thank you for watching this inventions and gadget-filled adventure. Stay tuned for more exciting discoveries and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to never miss out on the latest tech trends.